I'd definitely recommend Trade Mastermind just to get more information on how to scale your business up, get to know new clients and contacts in the industry. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. I'm Scott, this is Connor. We're from First Call Plumbing and Heating. We're based in Doncaster. The problems and challenges we were facing before we joined Trade Mastermind were we were struggling to find new leads, new customers, and just generating more surveys and things like that. Trade Mastermind have helped us solve the issues we were having by introducing us to new lead generation companies and being able to network with the guys here and in our area and different areas, and just giving us a lot of information of how to grow and how to get better at what we're doing. The aspects of Trade Mastermind that we've found the most helpful are the marketing and the sales advice that we're being given. It's starting to come together slowly. We've been given 5 leads this week, which we would never have got before we knew what to do from Trade Mastermind, basically. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend Trade Mastermind just to get more information on how to scale your business up, get to know new clients and contacts in the industry. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend it.